Did you know that almost everyone is magnesium deficient without knowing it? And this lack can be the cause of various problems such as fatigue, insomnia, leg cramps, and even heart disease. In today's video, I'm going to reveal the most common mistakes people make when taking magnesium and how you can fix this to improve your health quickly and effectively. And the best part, at the end, I'll give you an action plan so you can start improving your health today. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, don't waste time. Sign up now for more tips like this. Magnesium is an essential mineral for the proper functioning of the human body. It is involved in hundreds of biochemical reactions that affect various functions of our body. Some of these functions include controlling blood pressure, preventing cardiac arrhythmias, helping to combat insomnia, relieving leg cramps, and especially reducing fatigue. This mineral is also crucial for heart and bone health. However, many people, especially elderly people, are deficient in magnesium, which can worsen a number of health problems. Magnesium deficiency is difficult to diagnose because most of it is not in the blood, but inside cells. Only 1% of the body's magnesium circulates in the blood, making blood tests ineffective in detecting whether there is a deficiency. It is important to understand why many people, especially elderly people, cannot absorb magnesium properly. Firstly, magnesium depends on vitamin D to be absorbed efficiently. Vitamin D deficiency is very common among the elderly population, which impairs the absorption of magnesium. Additionally, the aging process can affect the body's ability to absorb minerals like magnesium. People who consume little vitamin D, whether through inadequate exposure to the sun or through diet, will have difficulty absorbing magnesium even if they take supplements. Another important factor is gastric acid. For magnesium to be absorbed correctly, it is necessary to have an adequate level of acid in the stomach. Unfortunately, many elderly people have low gastric acid production, which makes it difficult to absorb essential nutrients, such as magnesium. Symptoms such as heartburn, indigestion, and bloating can be signs that the body is not producing enough acid, which can directly affect magnesium absorption. Additionally, chronic stress, common among older people due to life changes and health problems, also increases the need for magnesium. Constant stress can deplete the body's magnesium reserves, leading to greater magnesium deficiency. In people who already have problems with insulin, such as diabetics or prediabetics, magnesium absorption may also be impaired as many nutrients depend on insulin to be transported to cells. Magnesium plays a fundamental role in balancing the body. It helps regulate muscle and nerve function, which is vital for preventing cramps and spasms. In the case of leg cramps, common among the elderly, magnesium can be an important ally as it helps to relax the muscles. Furthermore, magnesium plays an important role in regulating blood pressure. It works to control the contraction and relaxation of blood vessels, which can help reduce high blood pressure and prevent heart problems. For those who suffer from insomnia, magnesium is also effective as it helps calm the nervous system, facilitating sleep. Now, you might be wondering, how can I ensure I'm actually absorbing magnesium effectively? I'll tell you how to solve this problem, and at the end, I'll give you a simple plan to improve absorption and start feeling the benefits of magnesium quickly. If you're enjoying the content, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any more tips on health and longevity. There are several ways to take magnesium, but one of the most effective is magnesium glycinate. Glycinate is a form of magnesium that is highly absorbable by the body, with an absorption rate of up to 80%. Additionally, it is gentler on the digestive system and causes fewer side effects, such as diarrhea, which can be a problem with other forms of magnesium. Magnesium glycinate not only aids in the absorption of magnesium, but also has a calming effect, helping people relax and improve sleep quality. To ensure that magnesium has an effect on the body, it is important not to stop using it prematurely. Magnesium can take 1 to 3 months to start showing its effects in the body, especially in conditions such as cardiac arrhythmias or insomnia. Even if the results are not immediate, do not give up, as magnesium needs time to correct biochemical imbalances in the body. If the objective is to relieve leg cramps, the effect may be faster, appearing within a few days, but for full benefit, it is important to continue using it regularly. One way to improve magnesium levels is to consume more foods rich in this mineral. Some examples include dark green leafy vegetables such as spinach and kale, pumpkin seeds, almonds, chestnuts, and even unsweetened dark chocolate. Including these foods in your diet can be a good strategy for improving magnesium levels naturally. However, it can be difficult to reach therapeutic levels through diet alone, so the use of supplements often becomes necessary. Many people make mistakes when taking magnesium, which can cause the supplement to not work effectively. A common mistake is taking insufficient amounts of magnesium or stopping use before seeing the effects. It is necessary to take magnesium for a longer period of time for it to really take effect. Another mistake is not dividing the dose throughout the day. The body can only absorb a certain amount of magnesium at a time, so it's best to take several smaller doses throughout the day rather than a large dose at once. This facilitates absorption and increases the effectiveness of the supplement. Furthermore, factors such as the use of medications and the consumption of processed foods, rich in refined sugars and trans fats, can reduce magnesium levels in the body. Alcohol and tobacco also have a negative effect on magnesium absorption. Therefore, avoiding these habits can help improve the effectiveness of magnesium treatment. It is essential that anyone, especially the elderly, monitor their use of magnesium closely. As magnesium deficiency can have significant impacts on health, it is important to pay attention to the signals your body gives. If symptoms of magnesium deficiency persist even after taking supplements, it may be necessary to adjust the dose or seek advice from a doctor. Prolonged use of magnesium can help restore adequate levels of this mineral in the body and bring important health benefits, such as improving sleep quality, controlling blood pressure, and relieving muscle cramps. If you are experiencing problems related to magnesium deficiency, such as fatigue, leg cramps, insomnia, or even heart difficulties, don't worry. In this action plan, I will help you correct this deficiency without you having to leave home. The goal here is to adopt simple daily habits that can effectively transform your health. By following this plan, you will be able to improve the absorption of magnesium in your body, control your symptoms, and, over time, feel more energetic, relaxed, and with less pain. Shall we start? Action plan: how to improve magnesium deficiency without leaving home. 1. Power adjustment. Start including magnesium-rich foods in your diet. This can be done easily without having to leave your home. Foods such as dark green leafy vegetables, such as spinach and kale, pumpkin seeds, almonds, and chestnuts are excellent sources of magnesium. Additionally, unsweetened dark chocolate can also be a good option, but remember to consume it in moderation. To ensure that you are consuming the necessary amount of magnesium, try to add at least one of these options to each main meal, in a simple and hassle-free way. 2. Magnesium supplementation. If you find that you cannot get enough magnesium from food alone, consider using a magnesium glycinate supplement, which is highly absorbable by the body. The recommended dosage may vary, but typically 300 to 600 milligrams of magnesium per day may be beneficial depending on your health condition. For older people, starting with lower doses and increasing gradually may be a good strategy. Remember, consistency is key. Do not give up taking the supplement after just a few days, as the effects may take 1 to 3 months to begin to be noticed. 3. Improve absorption with vitamin D. Vitamin D is essential for magnesium to be absorbed effectively. To ensure adequate vitamin D levels, Expose yourself to the sun for a few minutes every day, if possible. If you do not have direct access to the sun, you may need to take a vitamin D supplement. The minimum recommendation for maintaining healthy levels is 10,000 IU per day, especially if you are seeking a therapeutic effect. Check with your doctor for the ideal dosage for you, taking your general health into consideration. 4. Relaxation protocol and sono. Magnesium has a calming effect on the nervous system and can improve sleep quality. To make the most of this benefit, create a relaxing bedtime routine. You can take magnesium supplements at night, helping to improve sleep and relieve stress. If possible, adopt practices such as light reading, meditation, or listening to soft music to relax. These activities will not only help with the magnesium absorption process, but will also allow you to have a more restful night's rest. 5. Keep your stomach healthy. Magnesium absorption also depends on a healthy stomach with adequate levels of gastric acid. If you have digestion problems, such as heartburn or bloating, it may be helpful to increase acid production in your stomach. A good tip is to take a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar diluted in water before meals, using a straw to protect your teeth. This can help acidify the stomach and improve magnesium absorption. 6. Monitoring and persistence. Magnesium deficiency is not something that can be resolved overnight. It is important to monitor your progress over the months. If you are taking supplements or changing your diet, be patient as results may take 1 to 3 months to start showing. If you feel any discomfort or do not notice improvements, consult a doctor to adjust your plan of action, especially if you are taking other medications that may interfere with magnesium absorption. 7. Avoid magnesium blockers. Certain habits and substances can block the absorption of magnesium, such as excessive consumption of alcohol, tobacco, and processed foods. Avoiding or reducing these factors can greatly help the effectiveness of your action plan. Replace sodas, alcoholic beverages, and foods high in sugar with healthier options, such as water, natural juices, and whole foods. Maintaining a balanced diet is essential to ensure that magnesium is absorbed properly. This action plan can be followed simply in the comfort of your home, without needing to make major changes to your lifestyle. The secret is consistency and patience. By adopting these daily practices, you will be correcting magnesium deficiency, improving your health and quality of life. Over time, you'll notice fewer cramps, more energy, a restful night's sleep, and a healthier heart. Start following this plan today and feel the benefits of magnesium in your life. Don't waste time. Subscribe to the channel now and stay up to date with all the tips that will transform your health and quality of life.